know, flamingos are not born pink. They are actually white or grey. So how do they turn this cute, pretty pink? Let's find out. Flamingos are beautiful birds that live in and around water, but their pink color hides a magical secret. When flamingos are little, their color is grey. Then they start eating shrimps, tiny algae, and small water insects. These foods contain something called beta-carotene, an orange-pink pigment. The more a flamingo eats it, the pinker it's become. That's why we say you are what you eat. So some flamingos are dark pink and some are light pink. It's all depend on their diet. Now, why do flamingos stand on one leg? This helps them save body heat and also keeps their balance strong. And sometimes they even sleep standing on one leg. If you love these pink birds, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.